So, good morning girls, we are here again. I am taking physical properties of these compounds. If you will read physical properties of the compound, the very first thing are starting aldehydes which have lesser molar masses like acetaldehyde, formaldehyde. They have very pungent smell or bad smell. And as the molar masses increases, higher carbon chain having compound, the smell become a little bit better, or you can say that as the chain increases, smell becomes fragrance smell. Okay. Now, next points regarding to the boiling point. As compared to the comparable alcoholic compound, they have less boiling point. Why? Because of the absence of H bond. Hydrogen bonding in a carbonyl compound, they have lesser boiling point. Alcohol have higher boiling point if both are comparable molar masses. As compared to alkanes, they have higher molar masses because of the polarity of the bond. As compared to ether, they have more boiling point because ether are less polar in nature. So, if we are arranging in the increasing order of molar mass of comparable compound, then you can say that alkanes, they have less boiling point as compared to ethers, as compared to carbonyl compound, and as compared to alcohol. Reason is quite clear. Alcohol have hydrogen bond and polarity out of these three compounds, that is more in carbonyl compound. Now let's it is about the boiling point. Next property about the similar category of the compound, it means aldehyde and ketones. The simple rule that as the molar mass increases, boiling point increases. So, molar mass is higher for the bigger carbon chain compound. So, they will have more boiling point. Next about the solubility. Just like alcohol, they are not much soluble in water. Starting compound like formaldehyde and acetaldehyde, they are miscible with water due to their polar nature. Otherwise, absence of hydrogen bonding with the water, so that they are not soluble in water. Like for example, benzaldehyde, totally insoluble in water. But all types of aldehyde and ketones are completely soluble in organic solvent like carbon disulfide, ether, acetone, etc. Okay. Now let's have chemical properties. So, as you know, the very first type of reaction is seen in the carbonyl compound, both in aldehyde and ketone, that is nucleophilic substitution reaction. So, the very first point, nucleophilic addition reaction. In the nucleophilic addition reaction, I am taking first example, that is this one is carbonyl compound First reaction, reaction with HCN. So reaction with HCN, I'll take this carbonyl compound and this is, so first step, attack of cyanide to the positive carbon. So overall reaction, CN will here and OH will here. And HCN will be treated with these compound. This compound cyanohydrine will form. So the general naming is quite popular in the reaction. You can say that when acetaldehyde CH3C double bond OH, when it will react with HCN, there will be formation of CH3C. This compound will be known as acetaldehyde cyanohydrine rather than IUPAC naming, common naming, acetaldehyde cyanohydrine, acetone cyanohydrine. Such type of popular naming are here. Okay. Now next reaction in the row, that is with RMGX. So reaction with RMGX. When carbonyl compound treated with RMGX, there will be formation of the compound like OMGX and R. This compound is further hydrolyzed. Then there will be formation of alcohol. I hope you have studied this type of reaction in the last chapter. Now I am taking step by step various example. First example with formaldehyde. There will be formation of there will be formation of carbon, hydrogen, R, OH. You can say 1 degree alcohol. In the last chapter you have studied formaldehyde and RMGX, 1 degree alcohol will form. And if any other aldehyde you are taking, R, C double bond OH, along with first step R dash MgX, second step H plus ion, there will be formation of R, CH, R dash and OH. Okay, so it is 2 degree alcohol. So formaldehyde will form 1 degree alcohol. Any other aldehyde, it will form 2 degree alcohol. According to the given question, need to select this R group, R and R dash. According to the given question, you have to select. Now I am writing reaction of ketone. So this one is the third reaction, reaction of ketone. RCOR and R dash MgX. So what will form? 3 R group are attached with 1 carbon atom. So it is known as 3 degree alcohol. So again I am giving summary to you that any other aldehyde will react with R-MgX and hydrolyze, there will be formation of 2-degree alcohol. Ketone when react with R-MgX and after hydrolysis they will form 3-degree alcohol. And always only formaldehyde and RMGX, there will be formation of 1-degree alcohol. Now let us proceed to the next reaction. So for next reaction, sodium bisulfite adduct. Sodium NaHSO3 reaction with sodium bisulfite adduct. There will be any of the carbonyl compound when treated with the NaHSO3. There will be formation of ONA and SO3 and suppose the reaction is going on in the presence of proton, there will be formation of OH and SO3 and this one is known as sodium bisulfite adduct. Basically, this reaction is used to detect the presence of carbonyl compound. If any of the carbonyl compound is present, then there will be formation of white crystalline precipitate of sodium bisulfite adduct. So, it is a quite popular test for the detection of carbonyl compound, and it is quite useful for ABCD based question that the substance A so and so formula when treated with sodium bisulfite adduct and forms crystalline white precipitate. It means you can understand that the compound A is carbonyl compound having group. I am not speaking that it is aldehyde or ketone. You can't judge that whether it is aldehyde or ketone. You can judge that only carbonyl compound is present, because aldehyde and ketone both will prepare sodium bisulfite adduct. Naming of such type of product again like acetaldehyde bisulfite adduct, ketones bisulfite adduct, general naming is popular. Now the next reaction in the row, that is with the ammonia. A special type of reaction with ammonia. This type of compound, aldehyde or ketone, when treated with NH3, there will be formation of COH NH2. Now, here there will be removal of water. So what will happen? C double bond NH, which is known as shift base. Okay, so in general, whenever ammonia or its derivative are treating, there is formation of such type of compound. Suppose aldehyde is here, then it is known as aldehyde imine. Imine compound is forming. Either if R group and H group, then aldimine and ketone, and both the R group, then also imine compound will form. Okay. Next reaction in the row is NH2OH, which is known as hydroxyl amine, derivative of ammonia. One hydrogen is removed and one OH group is here. So it is hydroxyl amine. This hydroxylamine, when treated with the carbonyl compound, what it is? NH2OH, hydroxylamine. Hydroxy there will be formation of a special category of compound, that is C. Now you can understand that from ammonia what happened, that if you are putting NH2 and Z, what you are having? Double bond. Suppose ammonia आपने लिखा है क्या? NH2, H. So this water and this oxygen you are removing, then the last product double bond NH you can get. In the same manner, suppose rather than NH2OH I am taking a compound NH2Z. What will happen? The last product I am writing, removal of water, you will get double bond and Z. On this basis, I will write now hydroxyl amine reaction. Any of the derivative of ammonia will react, double bonded nitrogen, and the rest of the group you need to write. So, hydroxyl amine, there will be formation of H2O. So, you need to get double bond and OH. This compound general name is oxime. When acetaldehyde is there, acetaldehyde oxime will be the name. Acetone is there, or you can say propanone is there, propanone oxime is the name. Okay. Next compound, such type of nitrogen derivative or ammonia derivative, there is a listing. Whole listing is given in our book. I am taking step by step all the reaction. So, number 2 reaction of nitrogen derivative, I have taken hydroxylamine. Number 3 in my, this one is NH2 NH2, known as hydrazine. When it is treated, the same thing, removal of H2, removal of oxygen. There will be formation of C double bond O and NH2, hydrazone. General naming is hydrazine is converting in hydrazone. You need to learn all the reaction, girls. Please give at least 1 hour daily to learn all the reaction. The chapter is quite difficult. I know that you need to learn all the reaction, such type of common naming. Okay, within a single day you can't learn. You need to take 2-3 days. Now, next reaction in the row is NH2, C double bond O NH2. So, this one is known as semicarbazide. When semicarbazine is taken, then there will be formation of similar pattern H2O. So there will be formation of double bond and CONH2. This compound is known as semicarbazone. So again revise yourself. Hydroxylamine, it will form oxime. Hydrazine, it will form hydrazone. Semicarbazide will form semicarbazone. Now, on the similar pattern of hydrazine, 2-3 reactions we need to learn. Derivative of hydrazine. How? Let us proceed. This one is carbonyl compound. Now, NH2. Next compound I am taking, that is phenylhydrazine. It means NH. Only I am putting instead of one hydrogen, one benzene ring. Now what it is? Phenylhydrazine. Okay, the compound will be C double bond and the same pattern, H2O remove, remaining compound as it is you need to write. NHC6H5, place is not enough, I am writing C6NH. So this compound is known as phenylhydrazone. Same pattern, hydrazine, hydrazone. Phenylhydrazine, phenylhydrazone. Now, next compound for you. C double bond O plus NH2 and H. Same benzene ring. Nothing I am doing. Only one change. 2, 4. So the compound is 2,4 dinitro phenyl hydrazine. The product will be any type of aldehyde or ketone. The product will be double bond, the same pattern. H2O removal and NH, NO2 group and NO2 group. So again we are repeating, aldehyde or ketone when treated with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, there will be yellow colored or orange colored precipitate that is known of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. So this compound 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, in short it is known as 2,4-DNP. So I mean to say in the laboratory record you will write 2,4-DNP when treated with ABCD or any of the compound. If yellow or orange colored compound PPT is formed, means the compound is aldehyde or